Hi, my name is Per Öberg and I am from Sweden but has been working with business in Sweden, England and India. Why I made this course for learning about how to do business. It all started by, I started a factory in India making garments, and it was there for 5 years, and we was producing, and we was also marketing over internet, and we got a lot of requests from people who wanted to produce some garments. Now, some was established companies, but quite a lot of them was startups, new people who hadn't done it before. I counted it was an average 3 such requests every week. And when we gone through them, I learned very quickly that 95% of those who had startups had no idea about business. They guessed it would be easy. They didn't know the basics. They didn't know what a factory was, really. They didn't know what it means to market and sales. They didn't know how to make a request for producing something. And there were so many things they didn't know. So I said, what should I do with all of this? And after some time I come to the conclusion, I need to explain. And I had made some written information to people when they go to me. But I also in the end found that we need a proper course. A proper course will teach you the basic of doing business. If you want to do it properly, it should be more like going to a university and take some studies, and this is more like that. Only it's not as big as an entrepreneur course in a university, but it is a course that will give you the basic information in many parts, many sections. This have. In fact, I have more than 100 lectures, each one represented by a film. They are between 2 and 20 minutes each, average 5 minutes probably, something like that. So by seeing them and also doing the work that's there and seeing the downloadable material we have, you can learn a lot. It will not go 2 minutes. If you want to give up now, you are not the right person to see this course, and more importantly, maybe you're not even right person to run a business because you are too impatient. You don't want to learn. But if you want to learn, be most welcome to this course, and I will guide you through it. But I start with 4 introduction courses, and after these 4 introduction courses, we'll go step by step. But after the 4 introduction information films, there with understanding how you can use it, what's in it, and some juridical aspect, then it's a better base for you to decide should you go ahead with this course or not. So again, most welcome. Welcome to this course, which is for startups of new companies and new projects. But it can also be used of everyone who already has a company, but for some reason want to upgrade or update or solve a problem and want to do some background checks of how can you do things better. This course is for those who want a success. Yeah, everybody wants a success, but you can't get a success unless you do it correctly, systematically. And this course is based on knowledge and experience. You have your knowledge and your experience. I have a lot of experience from many companies in 3 countries and so on. I have hundreds of startups which I have been seeing and so on. So I can help you.